Hi everyone, welcome back to this today's session. Good evening everybody. So I hope, can I get the confirmation? In today's session, we are going to discuss some crucial and important MCQs from P block elements, guys. So before starting today's session, I am going to discuss a lot of MCQs in today's session, guys. So be ready for that. Take a pen and paper with you and solve along with me and try to give your answers in the live chat section. Okay, so it's very important. I am trying to give you some basic concepts here. This is just a small video. So here I am going to discuss only few things in today's session. So we are going to take the complete P block elements in detail in our Unacademy learning app, so that I will share the link soon, guys. Okay, so but before starting today's session, guys, are you ready? Are you ready? So can I get the confirmation whether my video and audio is clear, guys? Can I get the confirmation? So tell me in the chat section, guys, whether my video, audio, everything is clear. With this confirmation, we will straight away proceed karna. Yes? Great, guys. Okay. So guys, before starting, let me self-introduce myself for the beginners. So myself, Sudarshan, a currently second year MBBS student in Government Medical College, Erode in Tamil Nadu. So this is my Unacademy ID. So you can follow me in Unacademy learning app as Sudharshan R. Search into Unacademy as Sudarshan R and you will find my ID. I have already took some sessions for biology as well as for physics. So in biology, I have completed human physiology, plant physiology, genetics and reproduction in detail and have discussed some most expected MCQs from my end. Also, I have completed most of the chapters of physics in class 11 as well as class 12. I have solved some crucial MCQs chapter wise, guys. Okay, so next we will proceed. So guys, for those who are new to our channel, so in the description of this video you will be having my link, educator ID. You will be having my educator ID. From today I am going to start the organic chemistry, guys, the most expected and most crucial MCQs in organic chemistry chapter wise. Today 7 p.m. I am going to come live in Unacademy app and I am going to explain you the most critical MCQs in haloalkanes. Today's chapter is all about haloalkanes and haloarenes. Tomorrow alcohol phenol ether and day after tomorrow, like that, we are going to complete the full organic chemistry, guys. So stay with me. That link is in the description. You can follow me there and you can watch the lectures of organic chemistry also. Short MCQs chapter wise we are going to do from 7 p.m. today onwards, guys. Okay, so the link is in the description. With this, can we move, guys? Will you follow me in today's session? Yes, come on. So guys, if you are new to the Unacademy app, means you can use the code Sudhar21. Now we will proceed. Crack Unacademy Prodigy Scholarship Test, which is going to be conducted in between 14th and 15th of the August. Guys, for the newcomers, I will tell one thing. So if the live is stopping in between, means so you close the live and go and click the Unacademy Sapiens video. Again you can come back, because sometimes due to some technical errors the live might be stopping in the middle. So if it is stopped in the middle, means you go and come back again. Okay, so now we will proceed, Karna. So for the schedule is clearly given here. You can kindly take the screenshot. If you are belonging to 2021 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. so you can kindly take the screenshot and attend the respective sessions for you, and now become an Unacademy Prodigy. Top 2 students will get first year's fees responded. Okay, fully scholarship, and the daily practice tests are available. And guys, the batches for 2022 has been started. Early achievers batch for 2023, Vijay Bava batch and Sangash batch has already started. Unacademy started giving the branded notes. You can use my Sudhar21 you can use my code Sudhar21 to get these notes. Okay, guys, for iconic students it will be given in the physical form in your doorsteps itself. Guys, already everything is completed. We will straight away start solving the important MCQs of P block elements. Are you ready, guys? Give me a thumbs up or something to get confirmation. Great going, super. So guys, this is the first and foremost MCQ of today's session. So this is my first MCQ. With this we will straight away start. So I will give you enough time, take your own time to solve this question and tell me in the live chat section what is the correct answer. Okay, Kana, we will proceed. A compound X upon reaction with water produces a colorless gas Y with rotten fish smell. Note down, it's very important. Gas Y is absorbed in a solution of copper sulfate to give Cu3P2 as one of the products. So predict the compound X. So your job is to predict the compound X. Yes, Anandi Sivakumar, you got it right, ma. Super. It's correct answer. Other guys, other students, can you get it right? Okay, great. Another student also answered it rightly. Superb, guys. So what is actually happening in this question? So we are having a compound X, okay, which is reacting with a water to produce a colorless gas Y with a rotten fish smelling. Note down, it is having a rotten fish smell. Exactly. That's Maithili correct. Pami, Kumari correct. Everyone guys correct. So rotten fish smell. So guys, did you came across what is this gas having a rotten fish smell? So somebody is having pungent smell. Pungent smelling is for ammonium. For the rotten fish smell, what is the characteristic thing, guys? Which gas will be having the characteristic feature of rotten fish smell? So note down, if you don't know means kindly note down from today. So a gas which is having rotten fish smell is your phosphine gas, guys. Exactly, Kana, exactly. So phosphine gas is having a rotten fish smell. So phosphine means pH3, okay? So phosphine gas means pH3. Got it, guys? Super. So our product Y should be of course phosphine, because it is smelling like a rotten fish smell. Perfect. Now what they are doing, our gas Y is absorbed in a solution of copper sulfate to give Cu3P2. So what they are asking, so our gas Y, that is our phosphine gas, which is rotten fish smelling, which is combining with, which is going to react with copper sulfate solution to give, what is the compound? Cu3P2. okay, it is going to give Cu3P2. So it is happening like this. Fine, which is having clue. Okay, we have got the confirmation that Y is my phosphine. So upon doing this, you might have read in the phosphate group, in the phosphine topic, they have clearly given this equation. So if you are going through the phosphine into the copper sulfate solution, so Cu3P2 is evolved along with what, guys? Cu3P2 is evolved along with what? Another compound is for. What is the name of another compound which will get evolved along with the Cu3P2 when phosphine and copper sulfate solutions are reacted? Okay, it is the one thing. It is to confirm that my compound Y is phosphine. So now they are asking, predict the compound X. We have to find out the compound X, guys. So what really happens here? So when among these four compounds, which compound reacts with water to give my phosphine gas? Yes, it's time to reveal the correct answer. The correct answer for this question is option A, everybody. Okay, so my calcium phosphide, note down, I am using calcium phosphide. Note down the spelling, guys. Okay, calcium phosphide. So when my calcium phosphide reacts with water, okay, reacts with water, it's called hydrolysis. This process is called hydrolysis of calcium phosphide. Releases what? Two things. One thing is our calcium hydroxide, guys, and along with it we are having rotten fish smelling gas, that is our phosphine gas. When you are allowing this phosphine gas to pass through the copper sulfate solution, you will be getting the copper phosphide again. We have started with the calcium phosphide and have ended up with the copper phosphide, and the most important acid evolved along with this is your sulfuric acid, guys. Okay, note down, these reactions are very critical in case of NEET point of view. So note down, this is the first and foremost thing, guys. Do you have any doubt now? Yes, ma, correct. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now, otherwise we will proceed, Kanna. Do you have any doubts? Okay, assuming no doubts in today's session, we will proceed. Okay, we will go for the second MCQ. Okay, guys, so according to this explanation, the correct answer will be option A. Clear, ma? Okay, pa. So this is the second question, guys. I love this question. Actually, this is my favorite question of today's session. I have took the second question, third question in details. Okay, so note down, this is my favorite question, pa. So what does this question tells you? Strong reducing behavior of H3PO2 is due to. So the name of H3PO2 is the third question of today's session. For now, you tell me H3PO2 strong reducing behavior is due to what? Exactly, Srimati. Correct. You are correct. Yes, guys, come on. Anybody with other answers? Okay, you are correct, ma. No need to retract. Okay. Yes, correct, guys. Vaishalini, correct. Okay, guys. Okay. I will tell you, in order to answer this question, you need to know the structure of H3PO2. So the next question is also about the name of the H3PO2. For now, H3PO2, no. So we are having P as the central metal. Yes, ma, Manisha, correct. So we are having P as the central metal. I used to solve PO2 means one oxygen is definitely going to be double bonded, and another oxygen I'm having like this, and I'm having another 3 bonds. So totally my H3PO2 structure looks like this, in which I will be telling you guys. Now tell me in the chat section how many high pH bonds I'm having. So in this structure I'm having how many pH bonds? How many pH bonds I'm having in this structure? Come on, guys. How many pH bonds and how many POH bonds? How many POH bonds? Exactly, Kanna. So I'm having 2 pH bonds. This is my first pH bond and this is my second pH bond. So the number of pH bonds is 2. The number of POH bonds is 1. This is the first thing. If you know the concept, exactly guys, correct. If you know this concept, you can easily answer this question. But if you know only this, you can't answer exactly. I will tell you one thing. So the pH bonds of the H3PO2 is a measure of the reducing property of this compound. Note down guys, because how they are telling, if this is reacting with some other species, this pH bond will be broken. This pH bond, the hydrogen will be evolved and this hydrogen goes and reduces the compound. Okay, so this is what happening. Since my H3PO2 is having 2 hydrogens, like H3PO2, my 2 pH bonds are present, I can have 2 hydrogen to give it to the reducing substance and so that it gets reduced. So this is why the H3PO2 is acting as a strong reducing agent. So the reason is exactly the number of pH bonds is 2, the number of POH bond is 1. So the exact correct answer will be option D guys. Purinjudha ungalku? Do you have any other doubts Kanna? Okay, any other doubts or we will proceed? It's a very simple question. Third question is interrelated to this. We will see. Okay, ingella detailed explanation irukku neenga paathukalam. Super anna, thank you ma. Now come again for this question guys. This is the third MCQ of today's session. Come on, you can do it. The structural formula of hypophosphorus acid. You need to know what is the name of hypophosphorus acid. Guys, do you remember I have told in one of my videos, P block elements landa, especially in class 12 P block elements, I told you guys to remember 2 things. One is oxo acids of phosphorus, nitrogen, sulfur. You need to remember 3 tables guys. Exactly. You need to remember 3 tables. All the 3 tables of oxo acids of phosphorus, nitrogen, sulfur. In sulfur means it is going to be explaining you, helping you diagrammatically. A lot of diagram based questions will be asking from the oxo acids of sulfur. A lot of reaction based questions will be asked from the oxo acids of phosphorus. If you don't know means kindly note down now. It is very crucial for you. Okay, sulfur oxo acids is diagram point of view, phosphorus oxo acids in reactions point of view. Now tell me, hypophosphorus acid, just now we came across the hypophosphorus acids formula is H3PO2 guys. Okay, note it down. If you know the molecular formula for the name means hypophosphorus acid means you can straight away you can calculate what is the structure. The correct answer among these 4 is option C, H3PO2. Just now we discussed it is H3PO2, this structure pa. Okay, this is my H3PO2, 1 2 3 2 oxygens. Okay, so in which I am having 2 pH bonds and 1 OH bond. Perfect. Now with this we are proceeding ahead guys. It is a monobasic acid, highly reducing in nature. Now guys, it's a crucial question. Note down, it's one of the very important question. You need to have some knowledge from D and F block elements also. D and F block elements knowledge is required to answer this question guys. Come on, you can do it. What does this question tells you? Exactly guys, great. Come on. Following does not give oxygen on heating. They are asking which of the following does not give oxygen on heating. Note down what will be the correct answer. You have to know the oxidations of all the 4 compounds, then only you can answer the correct answer guys. You need to know what will be the oxidation of all the 4 compounds. Yes guys, exactly, great. A lot of people are answering correctly. So guys, you are in the great momentum. I thought this question will be answered wrongly by many of my students, but very happy most of you have answered it correctly. The correct answer is option. I will come back to the answer finally. Okay, we will come back again for the solutions. We are having 4 options guys. One is ammonium dichromate, right? And we are having zinc dichloride. Okay, ZnClO3 twice. Fine. Then KClO3 and potassium dichromate. So if you have to oxidize, you have to heat all the 4 compounds. If you heat all the 4 compounds, we need to find out in which compound we does not evolve oxygen. The oxygen is not evolved in which compound. So if you go from below to above, if you heat the potassium dichromate, the typical, note down guys, I have took some session, D and F block element session I have took before 1 month in Unacademy Sapiens channel itself. In that I have explained you completely about the potassium dichromate reaction reactions and all. So if you heat the potassium dichromate, you will get the potassium chromate. Note down guys, potassium chromate along with Cr2O3 and oxygen, which is very very important in case of NEET point of view. And second thing, so definitely my O2 is evolving. This is not my correct answer. And go with the KClO3. Okay, if you heat the KClO3, you will be getting the KCl plus 3/2 of oxygen. So here also I am getting oxygen, so this is not my correct answer. And this Z10ClO3 twice. If you heat this, we are getting Z10Cl2 plus 3O2. Again I am getting the oxygen here, so straight away this is also my wrong answer. The correct answer, only correct answer is ammonium dichromate. You can get confused between two. Ammonium dichromate is also there, potassium dichromate is also there. If you heat the potassium dichromate, you will evolve the oxygen molecule. But if you heat the ammonium dichromate, the most peculiar feature is that you are having the extra hydrogen guys. You are having the ammonium is having extra hydrogens. These extra hydrogens goes and bind to the free oxygen to form the water molecule. Yes, this is the reason why the potassium dichromate evolves the oxygen, but the ammonium dichromate when you heat the ammonium dichromate, the hydrogen present in the ammonium goes and binds to the free oxygen to form the water molecule guys. And other than this, the nitrogen is going to be evolved as nitrogen gas, and Cr2O3 will be present, which is almost similar to the potassium dichromate reactions. Got it? Yeah, any doubts guys? Otherwise can we proceed? Doubts irka? If you have any doubts, you can straight away ask, otherwise we will proceed pa. No one. Great pa. So yes guys, this is the next question of today's session. Come on, you can do it. Okay, fine. So what does this question tells you? Sulfur trioxide. Again, this question is almost similar to the previous question pattern, but you can answer it well. Okay, great. Sulfur trioxide can be obtained by which of the following reactions? You have to find out. Now we have to find out in among these four reactions which will evolve sulfur trioxide. Yes, Srimati, you are correct. Exactly, ma. Okay, which among the following will evolve the sulfur trioxide? Note on guys, this question is very important again. You will be reading in the P block elements next group, 16th group. Yes, ma, Srimati, correct, perfect. So the correct answer, before revealing correct answer, let me tell you one thing. So you are having four reactions here straight away. Okay, so you have to go and listen to all the four reactions one by one. If you just see, no, okay, so if you heat my Fe2SO4 thrice, my ferric sulfide, note down, it's not ferrous sulfide, it's my ferric sulfide. If you heat it, means I'm having the oxidation state of Fe here is Fe3 plus here. Okay, if I heat my ferric sulfide here, I will be getting Fe2O3. I am getting my ferric gets converted into ferrous here, and I will evolve SO3 molecule guys. This is my sulfur trioxide gas. It will evolve as a gas. This is the first and foremost thing you need to note down in this question. Okay, so among these four reactions, the only reaction which will evolve the sulfur trioxide gas is Fe2SO4 thrice. Then B answer should be the correct answer. Okay, happy with this? Can we proceed guys? Yes, this comes the next question. So this question is actually more of inorganic point of view. You need to have some clear cut picture of the basic van der Waals forces, as well as one concept is that if you know, that means you can crack it very easily. Yes, come on guys, you can do it. What is the correct answer for this question? Okay, let me read out this question for you. Saraswati, then Silan, yes ma. So okay, other three things, no, other three reactions, they will evolve SO2 gas instead of SO3. Actually no, if you analyze in P block elements, SO2 is very important. Okay, they have clearly given in NCERT, most of the reactions will release SO2. Only some peculiar reactions will give SO3. That is our Fe2SO4 thrice. The SO2 is very important guys. According to the CBSE as well as 12th board exam point of view, SO2 is important, but they have asked little bit trickily. You need to remember the SO2 also as well as SO3. Okay ma, fine, we will come back. So yes guys, what is the correct answer for this question? The variation of the boiling points of the hydrogen halides in the order HF, HI, HBr and HCl. What explains the higher boiling point of hydrogen fluorides? Okay, they have clearly given the trend also. Instead of checking you the trends which is correct or wrong, they have given the trend and they are asking the reason why the HF is having highest boiling point among the four. So the four reasons are here. there is strong hydrogen bonding between HF molecules. The bond energy of HF molecules is greater than in other hydrogen halides. The effect of nuclear shielding, the electronegativity of fluorine is much higher than for other elements in the group. Great, guys. Okay, super, got it right. Most of you got it right. Manisha as well as Shrima, they got it right. Super, ma. So let me tell you what is the reason. Actually, the trend should be like for the every hydrogen halide, okay, for every hydrogen halide, HF, HCl, HBr and HI, what should be the trend? No, the boiling point follows a common trend, okay. From HF to HCl, we are increasing the atomic number, right? So if I increase my atomic number, the nuclear charge is getting increasing. So when I getting nuclear charge is increasing, as well as the size of my molecules are increasing, size is increasing, as well as my nuclear charges is increasing. So what happens to this? This both gets combinedly might give me some effect, that is called van der Waals forces. The van der Waals forces predominantly increases from, generally it should be increased from HF to HI. So my boiling point will be HI should be greater, after that HBr should be second, and then HCl, and finally HF, according to this rule, okay. According to the van der Waals basic concepts, my boiling point should be like this. But again the anomalous property comes here. What really happens? No, being HF is highly electronegative in nature, okay. HF, the fluoride is the the most electronegative compound is my hydrogen fluoride. So this is having highest electronegativity. No, it will make you to form, come on guys, let me in the chat section, why the electronegativity, the high electronegativity of form intermolecular. Exactly. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This high electronegativity of fluoride induces the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding in between the HF molecules. Like HF is there means this fluoride goes and binds highest boiling point compared to the others. So in this trend, in this hydrogen fluorides, in this hydrogen halides, the boiling point follows this trend. HF is higher, followed by HI, and then HBr and HCl. Okay guys, got it? Do you have any other doubts? Concepts of chemical bond. Exactly ma. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This is the reason that's why I picked this question. They are typical questions. No, they will ask, NTA will ask only these type of questions. They won't give you that much trouble, but you have to be stronger in basics. If you commit mistakes in these type of questions, means on the exam day we will be having that much pressure. No, during that time our mind is more likely to cause mistakes even in silly things that we know now, okay. So we have to be very clear in concepts, in the basics, so that you won't commit any mistake during your exam day. Okay guys, got it? I hope everybody, my students, will get it right on the exam day. Now we will proceed for the next question of today's session, guys. So this is highly theoretical, okay. You have to read the NCERT for this question. From Nest family, yes ma, exactly. Hi sir, hi Dr. Komal, hi Vaishalini Kurandevil, hi ma. So now guys, tell me, identify the correct formula of Ilium. So Ilium, okay guys, exactly, everybody will tell me the correct answer. Now tell me, Ilium is used in the preparation of what? Alcohol, phenol or ether? You might have read in NCERT, they have given you one thing. So this Ilium is used in the preparation of what, guys? They have given in NCERT. Exactly ma, correct. The correct answer is H2S2O7. If you have read in the NCERT, means the preparation of guys, anybody can impress me by telling what is the correct answer. The preparation of alcohol, phenol, ether. Among these three, one will need Ilium to prepare. Exactly guys, exactly. Adidas, Srimati, Manisha, everybody got it right. If you have read the NCERT, in the preparation of phenol, they have given you one single page, okay. In NCERT they have given class 5 PM pe start hui kya sir? Yes Dr. Komal, we have started the class from 5 PM itself. No issues, you can continue from now. Once the session is over, it will be saved as a recorded session. You can view it afterwards also, okay. Now guys, in the preparation of phenol, they have clearly given you some steps, right? Different properties to synthesis the phenol. In that, the most important one is the Ilium. They use the Ilium H2S2O7 in the synthesis of phenol, guys. It's very important. Note down, more than this names and all, I need one more thing to ask you guys. What is the structure of Ilium? Do we get confused between? Yes, exactly. So what is the difference between the structure of H2S2O7 and H2S2O8? What is the small difference? Okay, what is the small difference that happens? What is that extra bond present in which compound? Guys, I need answers from you in the live chat section, because that is very important. You need to know the structure of H2S2O7. So TS2 are there. Here also I am drawing 2S sulfide. Let me change the color of my pen. 1 second, guys. Yeah, fine. So H2S2O7. I am having 7 O's, no? So inga 1 poidudhu. Here I will be having, exactly guys, I will be having the peroxide bond. Exactly, I will be having the peroxide bond in H2S2O8, but there will be no peroxide bond in H2S2O7, which is the most critical question that take my eye, guys. Okay, note it down. So I'm having 2 hydrogen only. So I used to draw like this. Okay, first I used to get O8 means I'm having extra oxygen, so peroxide bond should be present. So from my 8 oxygen I have given 2 oxygens here. So I'm having remaining 6 oxygens and 2 hydrogens here. So in my 6 oxygens I will be drawing OH, 2 hydroxyl group respectively. So I have resolved my, from 8 oxygens I have already given 2 oxygen for the peroxide bond and 2 oxygen for the OH. Okay, so remaining what I'm having, 2 plus 2 gone, 4 is gone, remaining I'm 4 having. So for the 4 I'm going to draw like this, double bond oxygen, double bond oxygen. So this is the simple technique I used to follow when to remember a structure like the H2S2O8. Okay, similarly go like here. So here I'm have, from the 7 oxygen bonds I have given 1 oxygen for the single, the connecting between 2 sulfur, and the remaining I'm having is 6 oxygens. From the 6 oxygens I'm having 6 oxygens and 2 hydrogen. So I have to give 2 hydroxyl group. So if I give the 2 hydrogens and the 2 oxygens for the hydroxyl group formation, I'm ended up having 4 pure oxygens. So that I'm going to commit as a double bond with sulfur, guys. Got it? This is the structure of Ilium. This is the structure of H2S2O8, which is having the peroxide linkage, which is very important, guys. Note it down. If you can't remember, means note down, since the peroxide is having the highest number of oxygens as O8. Peroxide means we need 2 oxygen, no? Since the O is very excess in H2S2O8, which is forming the peroxide, and the structure will be like this, you have to remember we will be having 2 hydroxyl bonds, 2 SOH bonds, here also, 4 double bond oxygen, 4 into S double bond O, 2 into SOH bond, and SOS bond is present in the Ilium, and SOOS, that is the peroxide bond will be present in H2S2O8. This is the final thing I want you guys to tell you, remember you in this question. Okay, guys, enjoy here. I hope everybody enjoyed. So this is, I think so, final question of today's session, guys. I have planned it as a short session. Okay, so you need to tell me. I have given you 1 page in my channel NEET Strategies Tamil. I have uploaded 1 PDF. So in that PDF I have given the trick, like, so for a given halide, okay, for the oxy halide of a given compound, so how the acidic character increases. Okay, yes, Anna, great. Okay, come back. So what is the correct answer, guys? Great mark, correct, Mashri Madi, correct. Saraswati also got it right. Sweet weapon, got it right, great. Gayatri, Farah, yes, Anna, exactly, pa. Acidity increases with oxidation state, exactly, that is the compound. Shivalika also got it right. Pami, Kumari, correct. Okay, guys, the concept lies here. No, you are having a same halogen, and you are going to find some oxo acid, no. So what happens? No, the acidic character of the same halogen of a oxo acid is directly proportional to the oxidation state, is directly proportional to the acidic character. It's very important. Okay, guys, for different thing the matter is different, the properties are different. For a same halogen having different oxygen states means the oxidation state is directly proportional to the acidic character. Among these things, if you analyze now what is happening, so for HClO, okay, for HClO, what is the oxidation state of Cl, guys, in HClO? Come on, tell me, what are the different oxidation states of chloride in all the 4 compounds? So in HClO, what is the oxidation state of HCl, chloride, Cl? having plus 1, so you're having minus 2, so what will be this? Come on guys, it should be, yes, exactly, it should be plus 1. Come on, what is that for HClO2? In HClO2, what is the oxidation state of chloride? Exactly, so plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0, so that goes plus 1 plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So my plus x will become 1. Yes, exactly. In HClO2, what happens? Plus 1 x plus 2 into minus 2, it will go that side. 2 into minus 2 minus 4, minus 4 plus 1 minus 3, that will goes as plus 3. So my x will be plus 3 here, and it goes in odd numbers. Okay, HClO3, for HClO3, today Unacademy timing class na 7 p.m. pa. 7 p.m. we are going to discuss haloalkanes and haloarenes today. In today's session we are going to discuss haloalkanes and haloarenes pa. The most important MCQs. I have got most important MCQs there. I will be teaching there. Haloalkanes and haloarenes there. Yes guys, exactly. For HClO3, the oxidation state is 1 plus x plus 3 into minus 2, so it will be forming plus 5 as the oxidation state, and finally you are having plus 7. It actually, if you analyze more, it is going in the odd numbers. In the first one having plus 1, then plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, so it goes in the odd numbers, so it is increasing. The highest oxidation state is for HClO4, so it will be having the highest acidic character. Okay guys, got it? Highest acidic character is for HClO4 followed by everything. Exactly guys, exactly. So this is the final MCQ guys. I hope I have taught you some basics, and the main intent of creating today's session is to give you some revision on some basic elements, some reactions and some characteristic properties. This was the main intent. Guys, can you proceed to answering for this question? What does this question tells you? Note down. This will give you the interhalogen compounds. You have to find out the molecular formula, and you have to correlate this molecular formula with the shapes. Okay, note down, which is very important. If you are strong in the chemical bonding chapter, you can straight away answer it guys. Great going, super. Come on. Wow, fantastic, great. What should be the correct answer guys? We are having 4 different compounds. First compound is, yes, exactly, Saraswati. So x dash, okay, and second one is x3 dash, then x5 dash, and x dash 7. Vaishali got it right. Srimati, just a small change. Note down the options, read the options carefully. You got it almost right. You are just confused in between the two, not an issue. Now tell me guys, we are having only x dash. X dash means what? You are having only 2 compounds. Okay, if you are having 2 compounds, what might be the basic thing? It should be a linear one. So A should be linear, right? We are having FCl like this, FCl or FBr, everything we are just having 2 molecules. It should be almost linear. No, the single bond is present, should be linear. So A should be 3. So if you compare, no, straight away B is eliminated and C is also eliminated, comparing, and then go for the x3 here. X3 what is having? So go and compare everything here. It should be what? Option A, option D. Comparison should be 1 or 4. It might be a T shape or it might be a tetrahedral shape. So now tell me in the chat section guys. Tetrahedral or T shape, which is more prominent? Come on, go and you would draw the so x is present here. We are having tetrahedral means like this, like na. So x dash. So the tetrahedral should be like this. For this, now tell me how many x3 I am having, how many bonds I should have. If it is like x dash 4 means tetrahedral is correct, because I'm having 4. I need 4 means tetrahedral will be the correct option. But now I'm having only 3 I'm having, so 1 will not be present. So instead of this, 1 is not present means that shape is called hiding shape. That is called your T shape guys. Okay, that's very important. So my x3 will not be a tetrahedral. X4 not tetrahedral vandirukum. X3 motor iruknala, it should be my T shape guys. So B is option 1. So if you compare both, B is option 1 or B is option 4, B is option 1. So my D is also incorrect. So exactly my option A is correct. On the other hand, we have to check, no, we have to check also. X5 should be what? They are giving it as square pyramidal. Of course, 5 is having means square pyramidal. Is it right? Yes, we will wait. Go for D. XX-7. XX-7 is for straight away pentagonal bipyramidal, guys. No way. So we will be having in XX-7 what happens now? We'll be having two lone pairs. Those two lone pairs will cancel out each other. So the effective 5 will be what happens now? Those 2 7 will go like a lone pair thing. Like in pentagonal bipyramidal, it will act as 2 axial bonds, 3 equilateral points. Guys, do you remember that? This is my central atom. Will be having axial bonds and equilateral bonds. In 7 2 will be acting like some lone pairs and it will cancel out each other. So the remaining x dash will be acting presenting like in 3 axial bonds and 2 axial bonds, 3 equilateral bonds, and there will be the structure will be presenting like this, and this will form my pentagonal bipyramidal. Okay guys, got it? So it is clear cut if you are having your basic stronger. Okay, T-shaped exactly pa. So guys, I think I have given you, tried my level best to cover most important MCQs from all the concepts. I have tried my level best to cover each and every topic with some MCQs. If I want to cover entire P block elements, it will take me almost 10 to 15 hours. Clear na? So how was today's sessions? I have tried my level best to given you some most important MCQs with small concepts as a brush it up. Okay, I could not teach it, guys. I hope everybody watching today's session I have already prepared these chapters, right? It's just a revision. I have tried my level best to give some revision, important points stressing in short period of time. Useful na? Thanks a lot na? Clear. Thank you pa. So do you have any doubts in today's session? Nice session na? Thank you pa. So if you have any doubts, you can straight away ask in live pa regarding strategies or any other doubts. Otherwise we will end it up today's session. Thank you na. So today 7 p.m. we will be having a session on haloalkanes, haloarenes. The link is in the description. You can follow my ID and you can attend the session straight away. Bye na. Take care ma. Thank you. The session is all about completed. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise we will complete haloalkanes, haloarenes. 7 p.m. Search in Unacademy app as Sudarshan R. If you are the new user, use my code SUDHAR21 without space to watch my free live classes. Guys, any doubts or we will end it up? Come on. Meet in Unacademy. Sure pa. Sandipom. Thank you everyone. Bye. Good night. We will meet at 7 p.m. exactly in Unacademy Learners app. Come on, we will join. We are going to discuss everything as per the request of students. I have gone for this. Most of you ask me organic, so that's why I have gone like this. And after organic, please take physical chemistry in Unacademy. Sure ma, we will proceed accordingly. Definitely we will proceed. So since many of you asked me to took organic chemistry, I have took like this. Similar thing will be uploaded in our app also. I will tell you later in our own channel. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you Anna. Take care pa. Take care. Definitely Gopi Shankar, I will be taking physical chemistry also, don't worry. Okay guys, it's a time to end it up. Take care, have fun, go and enjoy your preparation. We will meet at 7 p.m. Go and revise brush it up some concepts of haloalkanes and haloarenes. We will be discussing there. Okay, take care, good night. Anna, physics ke evlo questions podno? Physics ku pathina chapter wise eppdi ma kekringa Saraswati? Endha oru chapter kekringa random kekringa eppdi? Rough idea kudunga na. Okay, so for physics no, I will be telling one thing ma. So I have asked you to prepare those 11 chapters first no, and the 12 chapters first no, and the 12 chapters first mudinga. Adukapram kuduthirka 4 chapters mudinga. If you completed these thing, in the ellathukku enna pannuna, go and first solve the NCERT important examples and exercise. Okay, solve this. Ellame ponna avasiyam important examples and exercise. After completing the important examples and exercise, go and solve some NEET previous year questions, which is very important, because I am again stressing NCERT examples and exercise, because most of the NEET questions will be directly asked from this. Most of them will be almost direct, but they will ask in MCQ format, that's all. So after this, you go and solve some NEET previous year questions. If you even complete it, go and solve finally JEE previous year questions. That too take it as a practice session last 3 years. Okay, definitely last 3 years is must. Either neenga mudichittingana, idha mudichadukku apparama, that's all. Go and take a test in our app. That's all pa, your job is completed. In the 16 chapter you will be ready, clear cut. If you complete these all processes for these 16 chapters, definitely you are king. Okay, in between you have to do MTG NCERT at your fingertips, MTG NCERT at your fingertips book for all these chapters, 100 MCQ. So totally ஒரு சாப்டருக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா roughly you will be practicing 150 to 170 MCQs per physics per chapter. Physics 150 to 170 MCQs including everything, NCERT examples, exercise. Okay, physics la got it. Okay ma, இது முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா if you have some time means go and practice some remaining chapters எல்லாத்தையும் முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு இந்த ஸ்டெப்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் ஃபாலோ பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. like this NCERT example exercise, NEET previous year question, JEE previous year question. If time permits, go and solve MTG fingertips, try to take our test and read the explanation and practice it. That's all, your job is done ma. You are going to get higher ranks definitely for sure. physics ல நல்ல ஒரு ஸ்கோர் பண்ணலாம் நீங்க. okay, so I hope guys have tried my okay mama Srimati, உன்னோட doubts answer பண்ணிட்டேனா? ஆச்சுல முடிச்சுக்கலாமா? so we will end it up today's live session guys. thank you. target NCERT class ல நான் அப்லோட் பண்ணிடுறேன்மா. I will upload soon, so I'm working on it continuously. I'm having a lot of works, that's why I could not do it. I will do it for sure, definitely will do it kanna. okay ma, take care. so it's time to wind up today's session. I think the time is up. we'll end it up. Take care. Thank you all. Good night guys. Bye bye. Bye everyone. Bye na, take care na. Bye ma. Bye. Chemistry 30 days plan soon coming ma. Mega Varshini soon coming up. 30 days study plan. Okay, fine guys. Bye. You can leave the classes pa. I will also end it up today's live session.